This is not a normal Alpine drive. This is the Alpine drive. Today we met up with a couple of enthusiasts to drive the Holy Trinity of Swiss Alps. Grimselpass, Furka and Susten. At every peak we make a stop to admire the beautiful Swiss Alpine view. And of course all the nice sports cars. But first we meet up in a parking lot down the valley and admire our beautiful cars. Let's get right into it. I'm actually gonna leave some space for these guys. Alright, let's go. Wow, this road is really well prepared. And again, keep in mind, my speedo has a difference to the GPS. So in the 80 zone I can actually drive around 94. Woo. Oh, I smell a lot of cars. And here's a blitzer, solid. It's a mobile blitzer. It's not always there, they're gonna put it there. And these are the ones that get you, man. But not us, because we always obey the speed limits here on this channel. Read the disclaimer. Whoa, okay. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, I can't drive faster than 90, 94-ish. My license too much. So far so good. We actually have a good pace. Cars in front of me as well. A lot of fun. If you enjoy my videos guys, please consider subscribing, would really help me out. Also give a like, that shows me that the videos are actually good that I'm making. These are my favorite corners. You don't even have to brake. Oh, the Porsche is also giving it some beans. German guys, speeders, yeah, drive however you want. I'm not gonna speed, I put it on the internet. Remember guys, these are public roads and not a racetrack. Safety is top priority, as always. Nice Opel Speedster. Could I drive much faster? Of course. But yeah, speed limit exists. And again, I'm putting myself on the internet for everyone to see, including the police obviously. And I want the police to actually watch my videos and say, hey, this is a responsible guy. Whoa. Oh my god. That is... I love loud exhausts, but that is almost too loud. Heel toe. So much fun, man. Whoa. That's insane if it's the VW. Look at these views. Wow. Wow, man. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. I'm almost tempted to go out really quickly to let these guys pass so we can have a bit of a free road. That should be enough. Man, so cool. It's a nice ride out, nice kind of meetup. Yeah, still. Yeah, already caught up. That's alright. It's okay. Oh, tunnel. Yeah, let's give it a pull. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. And obviously in the straights, all of them are gonna be faster because they don't have evidence of speeding on them. And yeah, you might say you can blur the speedo and drive faster, da da da. They're gonna find out. They're gonna find out. There are ways you can de-blur a speedo or de-blur anything actually. AI is this far, and also by the stripes they will measure it. And yeah, I just don't want to get in trouble. But here comes a nice hairpin. We can take a bit faster again. For that corner. Wow, guys, so sick. Slow entry, fast exit. for the wheels, I'm not sure actually. Okay, I think that's where everyone meets. I gotta say, the views are absolutely stunning though. I can smell the rubber, tire rubber, I love it. Yeah, as you can see, a huge meetup. Huge, huge, huge. You know what? No, I'm not gonna go out here. I'm gonna go out here. Way too many people up there. This was a really fun drive, but it does not end here. Stay tuned for part 2 of the Alpine drive. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed it.